Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to discover routes on the Detecht application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the routes button down below, which is the second option, and here you can find routes at the discover section. As you can see at the top, that's the first one, and if you are interested in any of these, just tap on it, check it out on the map. Here you can find kilometers, the duration, and other information. Here you can see a bunch of pictures, statistics, about speed, altitude, acceleration, and other options. If you want to add it to your favorites, just tap on this icon down below, and you can also search for your own routes that you have in mind by typing in their name into the search bar at the top. And you can also apply filters, as you can see, sort them by date, duration, elevation, then the route length. You can add filter routes by tag as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.